Hi, Two's friends. I have put together a scavenger hunt for you. I have the scavenger hunt right here, and I will be sending you a PDF of this so you can print it out on your computer. But we'll go through it real quick here, so in case you don't want to print it out, you can see what we have. But on our scavenger hunt, we have something yellow, sticks, mud, baby plants, dandelions, birds, acorns, tree bark, flowers, something green, and moss. Now, a lot of those items might be able to be used for multiple of them, and that's great if you do that. Also, I did mine outside, but if you want to do yours inside and find pictures or draw a picture of the items, that would be wonderful also. So don't feel obligated if you can't get outside. Still join in any way that you can. What I am hoping everyone does also, it would be fun if we could share what we found. So your people that are doing it with you, your brothers, sisters, mom, dad, grandparents, whoever will be joining you on your scavenger hunt, if you're able to take some photos and then send them to us, we will put them on My Classroom Connection, and then all our friends can look and see the treasures that we each found on our scavenger hunt. I did my scavenger hunt already, and you can see in the continuation of the video what I found in my yard. I hope you enjoy. So here's my first thing I found. I have found something yellow. Milo is my cameraman. He's helping me. Look at this. I found a yellow flower. This is the forsythia flower. Here's the next item I found, and I found a lot of them in my yard. Sticks. Lots and lots and lots of sticks. This just looks like mud, and it's actually, we're going to say this is two things. I found both mud, but if you look very, very close, I've also found baby plants. So I bet if you look around your yard, you might find some baby plants coming up. Here is my next thing I have found. It's a dandelion. I bet you'll be able to find lots of those out and about. So over here in these other lots of sticks we have, there are some birds. I'm not sure if you can see those birds, but I see one tiny little bird flying there. But if you really want to see birds, we can just look over at my neighbor's house, and here we have lots and lots and lots of birds. We'll go up a little closer and see those ones. My neighbors are farmers, and they have lots and lots of birds. So if you can't find a bird in a tree, maybe your neighbors also have birds. We've got turkeys and ducks and geese, and they're all quite happy out here. So I've also found some acorns and little acorn hats here. I have them all over my yard. Usually there are squirrels by them also, but they all ran away. I have found some bark. But you can look at all your trees and find some really cool bark, and maybe even make some bark patterns by putting paper and using a crayon to get the rubbings off of them. But see what kind of bark you can find on your trees. This is an oak tree. Over here I found another dandelion. That's the bees' first food of the year. So it's really important to let the bees get the food from the dandelion. And apparently the marigolds also like the dandelions too. Here are some pretty flowers I've found. They're just starting to come out right now. The flowers and the blossoms. I thought these were going to be pink, but they're purple. I wonder what color flowers you guys will be able to find in your yards. I have found a whole bunch of green things. That might be fun to look for green out there. Got the green grass, and then the green trees, So see what you can find that is green. I have found a bunch of different types of moss. See if you can find any moss that's growing on rocks or trees out there. Here's some more moss, and this moss is growing on the side of one of my trees. What is in this